Coming to Backgammon Sage Pro from Extreme Gammon, this video will show you how to feel at home in Sage Pro, how to keep using the XG file collections you've already built, but still get the advantage of Sage Pro's cutting-edge analysis. Let's start, assuming you're looking at a single position in XG and want to see it in Sage Pro as well. Hit Ctrl-C in your XG app, then go to Sage Pro and hit Ctrl-V to paste it in. Now you can see it in the Analyze Position section and use all the analysis tools there. Often people like to save XG position files, XGP files, on their desktop, then drag and drop them into XG to view them. You can do the same with Sage Pro. Drag and drop one into the app and it'll open the position in Analyze Position. You can drag and drop from a file explorer as well. The position is not saved by default, but you can save it if you want to keep it around. Give it a name and a tag and save it to the cloud. You can later hit the load button and open the position you saved. Note that Sage Pro does not have files in the same way that XG does. Sage's data is saved in the cloud, not on your computer. You can share a position with another Sage Pro user. In XG, you would do this by saving the position to a file and then attaching that file to an email. In Sage Pro, you do this by hitting the Share button, which creates a link to the position and puts it on your clipboard. You can paste that into an email or a text message to send it to someone else. If you have organized large sets of position files into folders, you can import them all into Sage Pro and maintain that same structure. A saved position in Sage does not live in a folder, but it does have a tag, which performs a similar function in organizing the positions. In the Import section, choose Import from XG, then choose Folder to import a whole folder. Once you've found your folder, you can choose your import settings. You can give all the imported positions the same tag, or you can have it auto-tag them based on your folder names. Hit Analyze to start importing and analyzing them. You can see the progress in the import table. When it is complete, you can find your saved positions by going to the Analyze Position section. Hit the Load button. Your most recently imported positions are at the top. You can also see your positions by tag and search for names or tags. Back in the Import section, you can also hit the Analyze Position button to switch to that section with the load screen already up, showing the positions you imported. So far, we have been looking at importing XG positions. You can also import XG match files. In the Import section, hit the Import from XG button and choose Files, then select the file or files you want to import. You will need to choose the evaluation levels to analyze them at and whether to include them in your PR statistics. Create a new player account to be able to isolate your performance in the imported games in the statistics in the Player Analysis section. You can also import a list of XG files by importing a folder. That imports all the XG match files and XG position files it finds in that folder or its subfolders. If you want to find a match that you imported before, you can go to the Import section and find it in the table of recently imported matches. Hit the Analyze button to open it in the Analyze Match section. You can also start in the Analyze Match section and hit the Load button to find your match. You can search by name and tag. You can share one of your saved matches with someone else the same way you share a position. Hit the Share button in the Analyze Match section, which copies a link to your clipboard. Paste that into an email or text message. You can look at your performance in those matches in the Player Analysis section. Choose the player account you use to import the matches to see the statistics just on those matches. Notice that PRs do not match between XG and Sage Pro. That is expected, since they use different backgammon engines behind the scenes. We have compared XG and Sage PR calculations across dozens of UBC 7-point matches and found that, while they differ, on average the PRs are the same, and the difference is usually well inside 1 point. XG and Sage generate different PRs, but they're pretty close. That's it. We showed you how to copy and paste positions directly from XG into Sage Pro, how to drag and drop position and match files, how to import matches, how to import whole folders of positions and matches, and how to find the positions and matches in Sage Pro when you're done. Enjoy analyzing!